Good morning, students. Our next topic of discussion, valuation of goodwill through capitalization method. We have two types of capitalization methods. One, capitalization of super profit, and one is capitalization of average profit. Now, for capitalization of profit, we have to just capitalize the profit. We just need to multiply with inverse rate of return, or we can divide by rate of return. Suppose capitalize the super profit. So that will be super profit divided by rate of return. And average profit capitalization is average profit divided by rate of return. But for average profit, you have to subtract capital employed also. We will discuss about this all today. Capitalization of super profit. So capitalization of super profit. Capitalization of super profit is means you will just capitalize the super profit. Formula for goodwill is super profit by normal rate. We can do it through one sum. Super profit suppose is 20,000. Normal rate is 10%. Then goodwill will be super profit by normal rate, that is 2 lakhs under super profit method. So first you see we have to find out super profit and we have to know normal rate. Normal rate of return will be perhaps given in the sum. And super profit will just divide and you will get it. Capitalization of average profit method, same sum, but over here you have to capitalize the average profit and you have to subtract the capital employed. So goodwill is total capitalized value of business, that is capitalized value of average profit, minus net asset. Net asset also means capital employed. Net asset also means capital employed. Capital employed. Or we can say capitalized value is average profit by normal rate, and net asset, that is capital employed, is total asset excluding goodwill minus fictitious asset minus outside liability. We have done this about capital employed in our last video. Now, if the sum is like this, average profit 30,000, net asset, that is capital employed, is 1 lakh. Normal rate is 10%. First of all, we will find out goodwill by this formula. We will take our average profit, which is 30,000. 30,000 into 100 divided by 10 by 100, that is, this will be 30,000 divided by rate of return. That will be giving me 3 lakhs. So minus capital employed 1 lakh. So 2 lakhs will be our capital employed. I will again say we have used a simple formula. We have used our average profit divided by rate of return minus capital employed. 3 lakhs minus 1 lakh, that is 2 lakhs. Then there is calculation of goodwill. Calculation of goodwill. One sum we will be doing, a complete sum, to make you understand about capitalization. From the following information, calculate the value of goodwill of Mr. Sanjeev and Sons on the basis of capitalization of super profit. On the basis of capitalization of average profit. On the basis of capitalization of average profit, we have to do by these two methods. Average capital employed is rupees 10 lakhs. Net profit or loss of the firm for the past years is net profit of this one is for the past years is this one. Then average capital employed 10 lakhs given net profit or loss of the past years is this much. For 2013, 90,000 profit. For 2014, 1,90,000 profit. For 2015, 4,60,000 profit. For 2016, it is 2,70,000. For 2017, it is 2 lakhs. Normal rate of return is 10%. Asset excluding goodwill is 11 lakhs, liability 1 lakh. Means capital employed is 10 lakhs given and 10 lakhs over there also. So first of all, calculation of goodwill under capitalization of super profit. Goodwill is super profit by normal rate. To get the super profit, first of all, you have to find out the average profit. Given 2 lakhs, plus 2,70,000 plus 4,60,000 minus 1,90,000 the loss and 90,000. 5 years divided by 5, we got average profit 1,66,000. Normal profit is capital employed into normal rate. Capital employed 10 lakhs, 10%, that is 1 lakh. Super profit, actual profit minus normal profit. Super profit is 66,000. Goodwill is super profit into 100 by rate or divide by rate of return. That is 66,000 into 100 by 10, that is 6,60,000 is the goodwill under super profit capitalization method. Now we will be doing super profit through goodwill through capitalization of average profit method. Capitalization of average profit, this method. Capitalization method, that is capitalization of average profit. We already have calculated 1,66,000 as our average profit. Goodwill formula is total capitalized value of business, that is capitalized value of average profit minus net asset, which is capital employed. So average profit 1,66,000 into 100 by 10. Capitalized value is divided by rate. Divide by rate with 100 by 10, it is becoming rate of return is 10%. Capital employed 10 lakhs. So when we are solving this, we are getting 16,60,000 minus 10 lakhs, 6,60,000 is our goodwill under capitalization of average profit. This is your homework, students. From the following information, calculate the value of goodwill of Messrs. Acid. 3 years purchase of 4 years average profit. At 2 years purchase of 4 years weighted average profit, the weights are given. At 5 years purchase of super profit on the basis of capitalization of super profit and on the basis of capitalization of average profit. The complete sum this one is. All the methods are in one sum. Average capital employed is 10 lakhs. Net profit or loss of the firm is this much. 2013, 14, 15, 16 and 17, the figures are given. Normal rate of return on capital is 10%. Asset excluding goodwill 11 lakhs and liability is 1 lakh. So this is the sum. Please go through the videos again and again and try to do the sum and send it to me. Thank you, students. Thank you for participating.